Hey guys, it's Miss Cross. I just wanted to send you a little video to tell you how proud I am of you. You guys exceeded all my expectations. I know that e-learning isn't easy, and your dedication, your flexibility, just everything that you've done over the past 8 weeks has totally amazed me. And I am so proud to be your teacher. I can't wait to see your grades in July on the AP exam. It seems like a lot of you guys were pretty confident and you worked really hard. So, great job. I also am just so sad that I'm not going to get to say goodbye to you at Eau Plaine before you go to Almond. Some of you have been your teacher for 2 years, and I am grateful for each and every one of you, and I wish you the best of luck at Almond. The sky is the limit, really, on what you can accomplish. I am super proud of you. So I just wanted to say bye and keep up the great work on in everything you do. Today, you guys are going to have the Illinois quiz on Illinois government. It's really easy. You have 5 attempts, get 100%, and just finish out the year really strong. I will be calculating grades this week and next week. So if you notice any issues, please email me um, and we'll work on that. So if you have any grade issues, please email me. And again, thank you so much for everything. I'm going to miss each of you. And I'm so sad that I don't get to say goodbye before you go to Almond. So please keep in touch and have an awesome summer and relax and enjoy yourself because you've been working really hard. And I know that e-learning isn't easy for anyone. So, great work. And thank you so much for everything this whole semester and year. I'm super proud to be your teacher, and I'm going to miss each of you next year. So, keep in touch and great work this semester.